Man, it's done, man. It's done, y'all see? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video. Y'all see today we in the Cutlass, man. We riding around. I don't know what I got planned. I only have a plan for today, but we finna hop in the cuts and ride and all that. I was gonna put the slicks on and try to make a hit, but I was like, man, I don't feel like fooling with it. So it's pretty. Oh, I know what we gotta do. We gotta pull up at Lawless Streetcar car. I need to see if Jesse can hook me up some brackets right quick. Maybe he probably not gonna be able to get to it today. I just want to let him know so he can mark it up, mock it up, and make me some brackets to hold the radiator, so I can go ahead and get that piece off to put on wifey car. Cause that's in my plan for the week, to get the Monte Carlo all the way ready. So I want to get this piece off, put it on her car, so I can put the fan shroud on her car. Then I'm gonna run the vacuum line to the from the modulator valve to the card for the transmission, and tighten that snug that transmission line, and she'll be ready to go. Oh, then put the end on the starter, the wire that kept coming off, the solenoid wire, change the end on that. She'll be good to go. But I got that plan Thursday, car. I'm gonna be gone. I'm gonna be in South Carolina tomorrow. I ain't gonna be back until Thursday. So when I get back, I plan on doing that. We got a dyno session coming up with this car. I'm not gonna be able to take it cause, like I said, I'm gonna be in South Carolina handling some business. But Cuzzo gonna come pick the car up. He gonna take it to the dyno. So I had that video coming for y'all. Well, I'll be here early part of the day, so I'll probably give y'all the intro and all that. But the actual taking the car, I'm not gonna have time, cause during that time I'm gonna have to be gone. But that's the plan. So I don't know, y'all just stay tuned. Alright, checking in, y'all. Got to show y'all this. I got to make it brighter. That's what I gotta do. But nah, I got this right here. So I'm finna see if it fit. I think it fit. Should fit enough. I really don't want the chrome kind. Well, I guess I got chrome right there. Them chrome. But I really don't want the chrome kind, but you know, I really don't even want to mount it right here. But it kind of, I don't know where I'm gonna mount it, man. I could mount it right there to the side. I don't know. I definitely don't want it over here. It'd be too hard to see. That leg and all that. So it might go over here. I don't know. I really don't want to drill in it dash, and be honest with you, but you know, I don't know. I'm gonna think on this a little bit though. Checking in. You said what, Tina?
No one don't have no fast car like this.
They don't? Tina, what you said you want me to do?
Do a burnout.
She want me to do a burnout. She want me to do a burnout, so that's what we got to do. We got to do a burnout. When your baby girl asks you to do a burnout, that's what you gonna do. So that's what me and Tina about to do. We about to go turn this thing up. So y'all just stay tuned.
We about to do a burnout.
We about to do a burnout?
Yes.
You want to record? Yeah. on, y'all. We gotta get it right. Tina recording. All right, Tina, here. Keep your finger like that. You got it?
Yeah.
You ready to do the burnout?
Yep.
All right, here we go.
Ah, you made me wiggle the phone.
You made you wiggle the phone.
Yeah.
Oh, you missed the burnout. Let me see. Our little camera lady right here. We might do one more. We'll check back in. Man, it's done, man. It's done. Y'all see? In the middle of the road. Oh, it's done. Can't even crank it up, man. It's done. We just having a good time, but look at it. Look, you see it? It's done. Look at that. They're running. Look all on there. I don't even want to get on there. It's a puddle. It's oil too. Man. Done. So now, I gotta call the tow person. Hold on, Tina. I gotta call the tow person. Cause it's just done, man. This right here, man. Look at that. Look at that right there. That junk running, man. I'm talking about it's everywhere under there. I don't even want to record. It's everywhere. And I don't even want to say what it is, but it's just know it's done. The motor done, man. But you know it is what it is. It is what it is. Man, I tell you, man, all I can say is small things to a time, man. I have to get it fixed. I have to get it fixed, man. It's crazy. So now I gotta close it, try to push it out the road. Got call wife. Well, I already called wife, so she'll be on the way. Grab her, call my tow people. Ain't gonna have to get this thing towed to the house. It's crazy, man. One leave and now one messed up. Like, I don't know, man. I don't know. It just, man, it's crazy. Trying to just have a good time and got stuff like this happen, but it's all part of the game. I mean, ain't nothing to it but to get it fixed. That's all to it at the end of the day. Just get it fixed and just come back, all of that. But God darn, boy, I tell you. So I'm just finna sit right here and just wait on wife and then wait on the tow man and all of that. And I guess, man, ain't nothing else to talk about, man. It ain't nothing else to talk about. Hold on, Tina. It really ain't nothing else to talk about, man. I'm just gonna catch y'all. I'm probably just gonna end up to catching y'all tomorrow, man. I mean, shit, that's it. I mean, well, see, ain't no need, man. That motor here done. I'll holler at y'all tomorrow about it, man. I'm out.